What's poppin', everyone? And today welcome back into the second video. So here's my top 3 favorite typing websites that you can use to improve your typing speed. So the first website is of course 10fastfingers.com. 10fastfingers.com is an excellent website for typists due to its comprehensive typing test, support for multiple languages, and engaging online competitions. Users can create custom tests, receive detailed statistics on performance, and enjoy a user-friendly interface. The platform fosters a strong community through social features, allowing users to connect, compare scores, and share achievements. Additionally, 10fastfingers.com is free to use and mobile friendly, making it accessible for consistent practice anywhere. So the next website we have right here is MonkeyType. MonkeyType is an excellent website for typists due to its versatile and customizable features, modern interface, and comprehensive practice options. It offers a minimalist design that enhances focus and reduces distractions, making it ideal for both beginners and even advanced typists in general. The platform allows users to customize their typing test by adjusting the length, language, and difficulty, providing a personalized typing experience. There's detailed statistics and progress tracking, help users monitor their improvements and identify areas for growth. Additionally, MonkeyType supports various typing modes such as words, quotes, numbers, and custom text, catering to diverse practice needs. The website also includes social features like leaderboards, like challenges, fostering a competitive and motivating environment. Moreover, MonkeyType is free to use and continuously updated with new features and improvements, ensuring a high quality typing practice experience. Last but not the least is Retatype. So why did I put Retatype here? Because personally I think that it starts off really good, and it feels to me that it's actually like pretty exceptional typing website due to its structured and comprehensive approach to teaching touching typing. It offers a step-by-step curriculum that caters to all skill levels from beginners to advanced typists. The platform provides detailed lessons that cover essential typing skills, ensuring users to develop a strong foundation in typing accuracy and speed. Ratatype also features engaging typing tests and games that makes learning enjoyable and interactive. One of Ratatype's unique strengths is its focus on accuracy over speed, helping users build precise typing habits that are crucial for long-term success. The website offers typing certificates upon course completion, which can be valuable credential for job applications and professional development. Detailed progress tracking and performance reports allows users to monitor their improvement over time. Moreover, it is free to use, offering high-quality typing education without the need for subscription. Overall, Ratatype's structured lessons focus on accuracy, engaging features, and accessibility, making it the best choice for typists seeking to improve their skills comprehensively. So that's pretty much it. So please subscribe and like the video, and goodbye.